Connect the printer to the AC power supply and turn on the printer. The printer will start up and upon completion the home screen is displayed. Press and hold the login button for more than 5 seconds. Enter service password. For service password, please consult the supplier. Go to Tools, Printer Settings, Localization, and select the following: Language, Country, Country. Select any country. Go to Tools, Engineering, Production Setup, and verify the following. Serial number is entered correctly. Print module, nozzle type, is set correctly. Conduit length is set correctly, 2M or 3M. When the ink cartridge and the makeup cartridge are not inserted, the ink and makeup are displayed as 0% on the screen. Open the ink compartment door. Insert the makeup cartridge on the left. Insert the ink cartridge on the right. Close the ink compartment door. Go to Tools, Diagnostics, Ink System, Ink, and then press Update. Place the printhead at the same physical elevation as the point where the umbilical exits the cabinet. Go to Tools, Printer Settings, Printhead Control, Printhead Elevation. Check that the current value is 0.